What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYLP, and I got a new kit, a new leather hole punching application kit that I want to show y'all how I'm going to use to be putting some of my leather patches on hats and on some of my garments, so we don't have to use adhesive or any type of glues, you know, whenever we want to put some leather on some of our pieces. All right, so check out my intro. Now, I know you guys, you had to have seen this in the past where you have your leather patches with the four little, if it's a square design, with your four little either gold or metal or silver, caps in the corners. Something like this, where I jumped the gun, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, there's a tool for that. Now I know some of y'all might be used to, you know what I'm saying, when you want to put holes in leather, you know, doing your old school traditional way, go in the kitchen, get yourself a little steak knife and poke the hole in the leather. Well, nah, baby, you don't gotta do that. Now put the knife down. Put the knife down. You don't have to do that. You don't have to stab the leather. You don't have to poke that hole in your hand. You don't have to go to the emergency room no more, okay? I'm going to show you the tool they use for that, all right? Boom. I picked this kit up off of Amazon. It ain't hurt my pocket. It was a Dub, something light, all right? A Dub. If you don't know what a Dub is, it's $20, all right? So I'm going to show you all the stuff that come in the kit. Alright, so this is what the kit looks like. Open it up. Kit look like that. That's some of the things that came in the kit. There's a few other things that came in the kit, but I can't hold it up like that because it might fall out. Alright, but this is your actual hole punch tool right here. Got yourself some scissors. Looks like something that you poke holes with right here. All right, got yourself a little ruler over here. See that, y'all? Little ruler. Something else you poke holes with. It feels like this right here though. This one feels like some type of like file. It's like a file on the tip of it. All right, so came with this little screwdriver here too. That's to make your adjustments on the tool. Okay, this little card, whatever that is. All right, so that's that. Let me set that to the side. Now the actual metal grommets I had to buy separately. Okay, this came in like a little kit itself too. I got the gold joints up in there and the silver joints, all right? Now, here's little metal that I lost. Oh, here we go. This little metal thing here you need for when you actually hammering the caps down onto your leather. All right, so that came in that kit too. And this little little metal striking tool is once you put that, once you take your little grommet and you line it up through the leather, take your hammer or your little metal or whatever, and just bang it. Boom, 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 to make sure everything's tight. But I'll show y'all that right now on a few. Okay. Now this is like one of the little posts that goes through the leather with the cap. This little cap right here, if you guys can see that. So what's gonna happen is you put the cap on there through the leather and through your material, and you just bang it through. Okay? Now I have one of the patches over here that I haven't done up yet. So I'll just show y'all how to do that now. You know, I'm gonna bring, can I do it here? Or should I bring y'all in close? Yeah, I might be able to do it right here. All right. Now, I'm gonna set my hole punch to where I want it. There's different size holes that you could switch and adjust your hole punch to. Okay, just moves like that. There you go. All right, that's the one I want right there. So as you can see, there's no holes in the corners right now. Okay, so let me just go ahead and punch the bottom right corner. Look how clean that hole is. Y'all see how clean that hole is? Beautiful. Now, since there's still leather sitting inside the punch, you just take this tool that they sent you right here and you push it out. All right, now you're ready to go move on to the next corner. Okay, so let's hit that next corner up. Here we go. Boom. Okay. So I'm just gonna run through all four corners real quick. Then I'm gonna show y'all how to bang it. The caps down. Okay. You know, just another added level of style and creativity you can apply to your brand. Like I said earlier, if you don't want to use the adhesive all the time. So there's our four corners, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys in close so you can see how I use the mallet to bang on the caps through the leather. All right, hold up. So they give you different lengths of these little metal pins. So this is a nice short one where I can show you guys. You just push it through the back of the leather. So if it was going through like a shirt or a hat or whatever, that material will be between the leather and the pin. Okay, now we're just gonna take the cap and just push it on lightly. Okay, it's snapped on. Now all I have to do is bang it on. I'm gonna bring you guys in close. All right, now I'm just gonna keep it funky with y'all. I don't know what happened to my other part of this video. Somehow, some way, it got deleted or whatever, or I probably forgot to hit record when I was making it. but I couldn't find the part where I brought y'all in close and showed y'all. All right, so I had already put this pin on the original version of this video, which I didn't get to see how I did that. So I'm just gonna show y'all again how, in the original video, I put this pin on right here on this side. I'm just gonna finish up this hat. All right, so here's my mallet once again. Let me open up my set, my kit again. Pull out some more pins. All right, we're gonna go with the short version. That's what we need. All right, here we go. The shorter one. Y'all see that? Okay. Push it through the back of the cap. Through the cap hole that we punched out earlier. Push it through the leather. See that? It's through. Get one of our tops. Just push it on till you hear the click. There it is. Okay, now we take our little metal. A little metal block. Line it up. Set it down. Okay. Take our metal driver, hit it 2 times. Okay. Now that's on there. It's on there. Want that to fall. Okay, it's on there. Let's do this other side. Before I finish this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let me know that you like the video. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss my next drop. Because y'all know I'll be dropping gems. Alright. Salute to all my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. For those that's coming through, checking me out, not subscribing. Y'all gotta subscribe, baby. Y'all letting me know that you like the content, but you're not subscribing. How much do you really like it if you're not subscribing, baby? Come on, don't do me like that now. Don't do a player like that. All right, let's get this last one done. Set it down. 2 short bangs. Boom, boom. And we done. That's it, y'all. So that hat is done with the 4 silver metal caps in all 4 corners. And like I said earlier, this is another alternative if you don't want to keep using the adhesive, or if you not getting these things sewn on directly to the cap. Now you got another element to add to your styling. All right, boom. Let me know how y'all like that. And like I said, not only on hats, I'm gonna be applying these to, my sweatshirts and my tees as well. All right, so that's another lane you can go into. So this is the silver ones. I told y'all you got the gold joints up in here too. All right. So I'm gonna leave the links to everything in the description. Make sure you check out the description below, the Amazon links, and there you go. That's how you apply metal caps on leather. Till next time, make sure y'all share this video and take your brand to the next level. The finished product, let me know what y'all think. Quick little on-head review. Got the caps on that joint. Let me know if y'all feeling this joint. Alright, that's it. Boom, 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 boom. Focus in. I think it came out pretty fly. You know, just another lane, just another avenue, y'all. Alright, till next time, y'all rock with your boy. Let's get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.